Have you ever wondered what happened to Mr. Wexler? If Mr. Buckley is really Irish? Have you ever wondered what makes a community a community? What full chaos an entire high school hide-and-seek would look like? Well, that's because... Wait, what's that? TV? With an eagle?
Welcome back to Season 2 of Eagle TV, which will be happening during the Service Selects blocks for those who want to get involved. And please check out all the stuff from Season 1. We have a lot of great content.
I like music.
Hello, guys. I'll never be on this show again.
Handmade.
Alex Whitehead is green.
No, it's not Starbucks, lads.
I miss Maurice.
And yeah, Victor, do you want to tell them a little bit more about how they can come on the show for Season 2, and obviously how they can actually help with the service group and join the service group?
Yeah, so we'll be meeting at these times. And at this location, which we have hopefully figured out by then.
Hopefully.
And if you want to join the team, just drop a message at this email.
Or this one.
And if you don't want to join the team, there's still opportunities to join some challenges we'll be having here, and there might be some prizes involved.
Yeah, so just check out the Come On The Show section on the website, hopefully if it's up. And yeah, so if not, just email us at the email which we just showed. All the details will be down below. And yeah, stay tuned for Season 2, and we'll see you in the next episode.